फिर से मन नवा के स्वागत आपण मैं केनता अछन मैं आशा करछि कि आपण भल थिबे। आज हमर कॉलेज रो व्यू देखामी आर आज प्रोग्राम टी भी होचे देखामी। चलो जिमा देखमा
तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है। तुम रह सके ऐसी जीत, अब चाहे जिंदगी ऐसी जीत, अब चाहे जिंदगी है।
बहुत अल्प समय भितर आमरी शपथ पाठ उत्सव अनुष्ठित हो। आम मैंने समस्ते शपथ नाबा।
Good afternoon, all of you. Honesty is the best policy that we know, all of us know. And the biggest hindrance for the progress of our country, the obstacle for the progress of our country is nothing but corruption. So no government can stop corruption. No individual can stop it. Unless and until each one of us, especially I would urge, and I think the youth mass, the country is in whose hand, because you are all the future of the country. That means not I, but we together should resolve, should take oath, should determine, should keep made up our mind that we'll be honest in our duty, in whatever we do and whatever we do will be honest and only honest. And any corruption through us should be avoided as far as practicable. If the people of the citizen of the whole country resolve this attitude of honesty, then our country will be corruption free. And if our country is corruption free, then India, our country, will not be an undeveloped or underdeveloped country. Rather, it will be one of the most developed country in the world.
और ये ये बिकी देला
फिर चांस पूछ लेना।